Ever feel like icons and text on your Galaxy S25 Ultra are too small or too big, but you don't want to mess with the actual font setting? Let's fix that using screen zoom, a feature that scales everything up or down without changing your font size setting. Start by opening setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility, then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Tap screen zoom. At the top, you will see a live preview. This will instantly reflect any change you make below. Now use the slider at the bottom to adjust the zoom level. You can slide to the right to make everything bigger, or to the left to make everything smaller. As a note, there's the cool part. While the text and UE element change size visually, your font size setting stays exactly the same. So if you ever set your font size to medium or large, it will not move. Only the appearance change due to the zoom. That means you can tweak both settings independently to find the most comfortable reading experience. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust your screen's overall size without messing with your font setting. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.